Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete friends on the Candy Crush Saga app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Candy Crush app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now to delete friends, tap on to friends option right here. Now tap onto one of the profile options of the friend that you want to delete, just like this. Now, here you can find the option of profile icon at the top, just like this. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the option of unfriend. Now simply tap onto yes. And now you can see the friend has been unfriended. And that's it. This is how you can delete friends on your Candy Crush app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.